Active Directory Organizational Unit and Organizational Unit Planning. An organizational unit is a logical group of Active Directory objects. Organizational units are served as containers where Active Directory objects are stored. In a complex organization, planning of logical network structure is a hefty task. Using Active Directory Organizational Unit, you can simplify the complex network structure, and also you can manage groups in your organization irrespective of complex structure. Let in your CTC software company, you have departments such as sales, marketing, engineering, and information technology. Each department has their own roles. For example, your company produces three softwares named PDF Converter, Chip Extractor, and 3D Paint. For each software, you have individual sales team assigned. Now you need to place those three teams in your Active Directory. So in your domain, under Sales OU, you can put all those groups OUs like this: 3D Paint, Chip Extractor, Video Converter. I'll explain this in my Windows Server 2016 for your better understanding. In my Active Directory users and computers, I have already created one Sales OU. Inside Sales OU, I want to place all of my three PDF Converter, GP Extractor, and 3D Pen groups under Sales OU within individual OUs. So under Sales OU, I have created three OUs: 3D Pen, PDF Converter, GP Extractor. Inside those OUs, for well management, I will place individual groups inside those individual OUs. In my next video, I'll show you how an user is assigned to a group and how you can place a group inside an OU for your better management of Active Directory logical tree. Now I will show you one thing for my well management of computers. In my CTC computers, I have divided CTC computers into two parts: active computers and inactive computers. Those computers which are active right now, those computers will be showing here. And those computers who is disabled or inactive for now, for any system of prediction or anything else, I will move into this container for my well management purpose. How you will use OU and its logical structure, it's totally depend upon you. How you will manage it, it's also depend upon you. A simple and clean OU structure would reflect your administration skill, and it will help you in big ways. So I'm done here. I'll see you in my next video.